Now, family, I am a little late to the party on these, but that's okay because, you know, when you do some waiting and you're patient, you can get the things that you want, you know? And that's why I always say be patient because you never know. I'm reaching back to get a lot of shoes I missed out on. And with Saturday coming up, we are getting the little brother to little sister of this one. And I think if you guys like the high version, what we're looking at today, you might like the low version coming out Saturday. Because today we are taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 Bred colorway. And before you guys even say anything, how's the condition on this, huh? How they look? You like them? They look good? Good, because these are actually used, and I can't believe I got them for the deal that I got them for. And I'm telling you, good things come to those who wait. You just gotta be patient. And let's take these out right now. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Bred. I hope you're having a great day, and I really hope you're having a very, very, very blessed day. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I did go ahead and just come back from work. A package did go ahead and land at the house, and as you guys can tell from the intro, as you can see from the title, I'm bringing you guys yet another sneaker review. And the sneaker that we're taking a look at today, or I should always start off by saying the brand that we're taking a look at today is Jordan brand, and it's on a pair. We're taking a look at 2019 because this was the last time that this colorway did go ahead and release, and we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 Bred. And this was one that I was not able to get back in the day because I was like, man, I was out of town at the time, and I was like, man, I really do want these. And it's funny enough because I hit on like 2 raffles and I was able to grab them. But I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and go over on GOAT to see exactly what the prices are going for. And they are a little bit higher, but I did go ahead and get a used pair, and man, for the price that I got them for, I could not pass. So here shortly, I am gonna go ahead and break away to showing you guys the review on this. But before I go ahead and do, I wanna give you guys your kudos. I wanna give you guys your thanks because I cannot do this if it was not for you guys. You guys show a lot of love and support, and you know I like to go ahead and give that love and support right back to you. So let's get started. All right. First and foremost, before we even take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Bred, I want to go ahead and say thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys show. Like, seriously, it means so much to me. As you guys can tell, we are on the race to 10K this year. I think we just hit 7,340. So the momentum from me dropping shorts to long form content over on my TikTok, you guys show a lot of support, so thank you so much. Seriously, if this is your first time checking out any of the content, any of the channel, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to get featured like you see right here, engage with the kid, engage with the channel. Engagement is just in general key. If you want to get featured like you see all these wonderful people, you can say anything that you want to tell me. Hey, the video was lovely, I enjoy your energy. You know, a lot of you guys, even if there's something you don't agree with what I say in my videos, like tell me down below. You know, sometimes we can agree to disagree, and I want to just feature you guys a lot more on the channel because you guys seriously do a lot for me. And you know, if you want anything sneaker related, sneaker content like you see right here, you want to tap in because we're always taking a look at it and reviewing it together. So with all that said, like I said, if you want to get featured, just go ahead and engage with the channel. Now, with that said, let's take a look at these Air Jordan 11 Bred highs. Let's go. All right, so here we go right here. I did go ahead and pick this up over on GOAT. And for those of you that have been on the channel for a while, you already know that GOAT is a secondary market, just like all those other ones like StockX. We don't really, we don't use StockX, but GOAT is one of the ones that I've always used. I've never had an issue with it. And I ordered these about, what, I want to say a week ago, actually, and they just hit the door today. So I'm very happy because I was able to go ahead and get these used. And from how I saw the pictures, they look really, really good. So let's go ahead and take out the tissue paper, all the packaging. And here we go right here. Don't need this box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the package. And it's quite funny that I happened to grab these because here on Saturday, we have the Air Jordan 11 low cut Bred dropping as well. The little brother or little sister to this one. So that's really interesting. But here we go right here in the OG packaging, as you can go ahead and see. As you look on the back, it says engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. And like I said, this is not a new release because the last time it's come out was 2019. But this is an 11 I always have wanted, and I was happy to finally go ahead and grab them for a good steal. So let's go ahead and take a look at the size description, shall we? So let's go ahead and read Air Jordan 11 Retro. We got black, true red, white. I did go ahead and get a size 11. Retail on these was $220. That was back in 2019. As you know, retail prices have skyrocketed a little bit more in inflation. Looking at the SKU code, it does read 37803706 and 1. Let's go ahead and pull these, turn them around so you guys can go ahead and see. Let the camera focus right there. Size 11. And if you haven't ever gotten Air Jordan 11, I recommend going true to size because true to size just fits a little bit better. I've had no issue with it. If you want to kind of go down half a size, you can, but you are going to have that snugger fit. But I say go true to size, do it perfectly fine. So here we go right here. As we take a look at these, as you see, you get greeted with black tissue paper right there. But as we go ahead and pull these things back right now, and 3, 2, and 1, here we go right there. The 2019 Bred Air Jordan 11 right there. The one that Mike wore on the court. Very lovely. Here we go. And this is a used pair. Remind you, this is a used pair, so it was used, but I'm looking at it right now and I'm not seeing any scuffs. I'm not seeing anything nice or anything wrong with it. No creases, no anything. Like, man. And I got these used for $150, so I can't go wrong. Seriously, everything checks out too. If I'm not mistaken, I believe there should be some type of card in here. Aha. There it is, right there. Now let's go ahead and say Air Jordan 11. The Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan Brand celebrates this model by delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run. League MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP. The instant classic will leave you saying it's gotta be the shoe. So there goes the card that comes with the box right there. And then as well, there should be the GOAT verification, yep, right there as well. Authenticated and making sure everything is checked out to these perfection, as you can see. Let's go ahead and pull out the other one right now and let's get into it right now. Boom, here we go. Right here, we got the Air Jordan 11 Bred 2019. And I've always wanted this one because it just was an 11 that, you know, you just cannot go wrong. I have all the other 11s, Concords to what's it called, the Cherries to the, as you guys know, the last review I went ahead and did on the 11s was the Win Like 96, excuse me. So it was a whole bunch of 11s I had, and you know, I was like, I gotta eventually add this to the collection, but I'm gonna wait to find a good deal, and that's what I did. So starting with the, do we want to take a look at the right or do we want to take a look at the left? I feel like we should take a look at the left. I like the way the left is hidden. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the outsole. As you can see, you have the all red outsole with the two-tone of the black right there. You got your Jumpman right in the middle. You got that icy, normally it has that icy outsole, but as you can go ahead and see, it is a nice red iciness to it. And as you can see at the bottom, you also have that carbon fiber right there. Very nice touch. As you come up to the midsole, you have an all white midsole that goes all the way around the entirety of the shoe right there. As you come up to the upper, you can see it has the high cut patent leather, which is very nice and sleek. See that light bouncing off of that, very nice. You got the logo right there, the Jumpman logo, which is nice in that gym red color. As you come up to the back of the heel. You have 23 back there, and then you also had more of that premium leather with going down, hitting the patent leather. As we come up, you see the toe box, you got the patent leather right there, then you have your laces right there, you get more of the graphic right there, and you have that nice, beautiful nylon tongue. As we go ahead and pull this out, I love the fact that they still, and around this time, was giving us the shoe tree that kind of like went with the colorway of the shoe. I think they continue to need to, they need to continue to keep doing that, because this was a nice touch. As we come and open that, it does go ahead and say Nike Air, and you have your size description right there in the middle. Then as you can see, it also has more text on the inner of the tongue. Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. And there you go right there, obviously referring to Michael Jordan. And here we go. This is them right there. I know these are obviously a little bit older, and we just have, this is not a 2025 release, but hey, regardless, on this channel, we try to go ahead and grab as many shoes and touch as many shoes as we possibly can. And even if it's shoes that we weren't able to get back in the day, we'll circle around to them and get them. But here we go, right here, the Air Jordan 11 Bred. Let me know what you think about this. Like I did go ahead and say, we have the little sister or little brother coming this Saturday, which is the low version. I'm excited to grab those. I feel like if you have these already, you're not gonna need those, but I'm gonna grab them for you guys. That way we can do a comparison to see which one you guys like more. Those lows are nice. I've seen them in hand. They're very, very lovely. But let me know what you guys think about them right now. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review, but before I do, I wanna give you guys a closer perspective. That way, if you're like on the fence of like, you know, are you still on the hunt of grabbing these, going that used route is not always a bad option, because like I said, as you can see, this here used, very, very lovely. But let's go ahead and take a closer perspective, shall we? Here we go right here, the Air Jordan 11 Bred colorway, and yeah, these are nice. I think if, you know, in the collection, the Air Jordan 11 is on the silhouette itself is just a beautiful staple piece, and this colorway is needed in the collection. I'm happy to have these. I'll probably go ahead and probably get some like sole shields for them, because I do want to rock these, but I want to keep these things in pristine condition, because I will not be getting another pair of these probably no time soon. Well, unless it is the low cut version. But let me know what you guys think about them down below. Is it a drop? Is it a cop? Are you still on the hunt for them? Do you like these? Is it nice for the collection? I want to know all that down below, so let me know. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review over the Air Jordan 11 Bred. Let me know what you guys think about them. I truly love you guys so much. I know this review is a little bit shorter than it usually is, but it's because I try not to, you know, make them too long for you guys. But I'll probably make a little some more content with this. I'll probably make it a little short. You'll see. I'll do something like fun and exciting with it, but greatly appreciate you. The low we'll be taking a look at Saturday, so stay tuned for that review, because on the way we have a lot of stuff coming this year. Greatly appreciate you. Remember, it's only ever be one you. Be the best you. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace, guys.
Yeah.